Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it, guys. So I've actually counted. Mseleku has posted Mayeni I think 4 times consecutively 4 times. Mayeni use break record yokupostwa because Mseleku never does that. I'm just saying, guys. Okay guys, before I go any further, if indaba zabantu awuzithandi ngicela nje phuma nkosi yami, click out if indaba zabantu awuzithandi, because it doesn't make sense ukuthi uzalalela ivideo ubukele ivideo isiyefika ekugcineni only for you to come and comment and say chiyana ndaba zabantu ufunani ukuthi uvela. Oh gosh, yo ayengeke. Anyways guys, to those who like people's news, abathanda ama-updates ukuthi wenzakalani ngale kwaMseleku, guys. Shame. I think that's the reason why MaCele is not on social media, because cabanga ungena ku social media uthola umyeni wakho ebamba umuntu uza ngeke. Guys, Nesthembu is not for the faint-hearted, because you're not even going to comment and say, oh, you guys liyafanelana or something. No, you never. Yo guys, ngeke. MaCele alright engekho ku social media because kusho ukuthi phela uzahlala uphethwe isihudo. Uza umhede lwana oku-found out ukuthi you just found out uhluzwe isisu siba buhlungu, uphathwe isihudo, uye toilet 1 time. Shame. I think siyakuphatha sibili size uzogcina ujayela ukuthi laba bayathandana. So I just think MaCele nje was avoiding i-drama yonke. Kahle come to think of it, yes vele MaCele, this could be the other reason why maybe engekho social media. Obviously there are other reasons, you know, but remember ukuthi MaCele did say ukuthi if you are getting married, mawusenza umshado, like literally at that event yomshado, I don't really have to be there ngizowitnessa wena uthandana lo munye unkosikazi wakho ngibe ngingunkosikazi wakho lami. It doesn't make sense, you know, it doesn't. I understand, man, of which yes, lami ngivumelana naye vele. It doesn't make sense, like ubuyizoqakezela umyeni wakhe saluthi oh umyeni wami waze wamqabula kahle laze lathanda. It's not make sure ngaphandle kokupretenda nje. It's not make sure, shem. So maybe that's part of the reasons why MaCele wathi angiphume ku social media, ngifuna nje into yokube mbonana umyeni wami ebambanela bomuntu uza hayibo. No ways. But anyways guys, ngathi ukhona MaCele upost Mayeni 4 times. Hayibo. I've never seen this, shem. 4 times. Anyways, but they're beautiful, I must say. Bayafanelana and uthando labo mangilubuka ku TV, it's flowing like easy, man. It's not difficult. Mayeni is easy to love nje hazimbinje. Anyways, thank you so much guys. Okay, another thing. most of the posts kababa Mseleku uMakhumalo always comments. Even the latest ikhona enye le post le baba Mseleku esithi usibindile yamsukela yena ezithulele abantu bamngenela ubaba Mseleku bamhlafuna uMakhumalo wabuya wazomsupport. Like I'm trying to say uMakhumalo vele uya commenta shem kuma post kababa Mseleku, but which means ukuthi she actively follows ama posts kababa Mseleku. So mase kufika le yabo muntuza nkosi yami angazi ukuthi ukuthini, but I know ukuthi kukhona kuyadi nsenze bijani enhlizweni, with considering ukuthi phela it's been 4 posts. Uba Mseleku lo muntu hi. Anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.